Welcome back to my channel. Wow Skin Science is offering us a big discount on various products. Many things are available for Rs.9 only. First of all, let me show you my purchase. So here it is. As you can see, the cost which I paid was just Rs.20 as it is shown here. Let's unbox it. I ordered vitamin C body lotion. Sale is for 12 to 16 Jan only. The card is also there. Thanks for attending our 9th birthday. So as you can see, it is vitamin C body lotion. The cost is around 449 and it costed me just Rs.20. In the end of the video, I will show you how I earned this product in just Rs.20. Moreover, they gave a gift, a cute little gift, pop-ins and some seeds to plant. Now let me tell you how to earn it. First of all, install the Wow app from the Play Store or App Store. This is how it will open. Click on the biggest price drop at Rs.9, which is available at 2 hours, that is at 6 pm and at 9 pm. Here are the terms and conditions given. You can only add one product at one time, but you can also add many products if you have the fastest finger. Here are many different products which are not available at point of time for Rs.9. At 6 pm or at 9 pm, when you click on the 9 minutes only sale, you can get the products just for Rs.9. Now showing you my order. Link for the app is in the description box. So my total was about 126 rupees and I ordered more than 5 products, out of which I have received one product. And one thing you should keep in mind is that always select cash on delivery. If your order gets confirmed, you will get a mail or WhatsApp message. And keep your details ready so that it will save your time. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If I get the another products from it, I will show you. For more such videos, kindly share, like and subscribe. Bye. Thank